many of my colleagues, we will not want to see an impeachment proceedings in the Senate because obviously it's going to be very divisive. I know I'm supposed to not talk about the impeachment, but in my heart, is this what we want so close to the elections? Although if there's an impeachment that is delivered to us in the Senate, we have to do our constitutional mandate to convene an impeachment court. I used to be Senate President, so we know the implication of that. We know our duty. But of course, personally, if you ask me in my personal opinion, sana walang gulo. Kasi ayaw po natin ng gulo at this point in time. Gusto po na namin ceasefire muna at this point in time. Tignan nyo nangyari sa South Korea. Diba? They declared martial law in South Korea. Now nagkakagulo sila doon. I couldn't believe it. No? I couldn't believe that they had this type of political noise in South Korea last night. So, ayaw naman po